My name is Jennie, and I am a senior in the nursing program here at NEC. New England College is very supportive. The faculty, they're so knowledgeable. Support really goes beyond the classroom. They create a supportive learning environment, and they also have fantastic mentorships. So they're really there for your success. I feel like that's a strong point coming in as a nurse, having your bachelor's degree to hit the ground running. In the program, we do have the Earn While You Learn. So essentially, we are working as LNAs while we're in the program. Really, that gives us a lot of extra hands-on experience while we're also getting paid. So we're paid employees there. So not only are we getting paid, we're also getting credits. Everybody loves having you there. I've always wanted to become a nurse. I love helping people. I love caring for diverse populations. I just really love being able to make a difference in someone's life. It's very rewarding, and it's a really great feeling when you can make a strong connection with a patient and their family, and you leave feeling like, you did something really good. We hosted our first night in gala, which was a dance put on with the Student Nurse Association, really to recognize some accomplishments that we've made and to be able to come together and just enjoy an evening together where we all have so many different schedules. It was nice to come together and kind of let loose a little bit and just celebrate. I'm already hired. I was hired in October. I'm going to be a cardiac nurse, but I am a perpetual learner. So I definitely feel like getting my master's degree is on the table. You absolutely should. I have no doubt you will succeed very well in this program. Coming to New England College, they really set the precedence for nursing school with their Earn While You Learn, where gaining that valuable LNA experience just helps you even more as a nurse in the field. It's really a fantastic program. I have found such a sense of community where I've connected with people that are going to remain friends for life and have become like family. So that's really a big piece of something I'm taking away from NEC.